अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि मैंने पत्या थाईलैंड में एक बहुत सुंदर गार्डन एक्सप्लोर किया तो शायद आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे। आप सोचेंगे पत्या गार्डन, बट ट्रस्ट मी, what I discovered here was completely unexpected. Today, I proudly present to you Nongnuch Garden in Pattaya, Thailand. The cultural show was a beautiful start to our visit. मैंने सोचा थिएटर में बैठेंगे, कुछ ट्रेडिशनल डांसेस देखेंगे, clappings, standard tourist stuff. But the moment it started, it blew my mind. Then came the elephant show, which was honestly surprising, seeing the elephants perform with such coordination. And then came the moment of feeding elephants. आप सीधे जाकर elephant को खिला सकते हैं. Even people were giving money, so they'll show some tricks in front of you. Painting भी बहुत अच्छी करते हैं elephants. Later on, when you leave that area, if you want, you can purchase those t-shirts. And now, it was time for elephant ride. The story of this place goes back to the 1950s, when 500 acres of land bought for a fruit plantation turned into something much bigger. After traveling the world, Mrs. Nongnuch was inspired by international gardens, and she decided to create something similar here in Thailand. And in 1980, Nongnuch Garden officially opened with a simple yet powerful mission: a garden for all people of the world. This garden is truly a paradise for plant lovers. अगर आपको नेचर पसंद है तो आपको नोंगनुच गार्डन बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Nongnuch Garden is also known as Dinosaur Valley. There are more than 1,600 dinosaurs, especially for kids. यहाँ life-size dinosaur models हैं, which make us imagine कि prehistoric era में इतने बड़े dinosaurs इस world पे कैसे रहते थे, कैसे लगते थे. ये जगह पत्या से आधे घंटे की दूरी पे है, and it opens at 8. So try to come a bit early so that you can explore maximum places. there are fixed timings for cultural shows as well as elephant shows. If you think that you'll be able to cover the entire place, trust me, nahi ho payega. We took the elephant ride, the cart, we walked, but then also there were so many places which we couldn't explore. It was that huge. There were perfectly manicured landscapes, beautifully designed theme gardens, from French style garden, tropical rainforest, then there was pyramid और cactus area इतना बड़ा था कि आप पैदल तो जा ही नहीं सकते. It was all cart which took us over there. आपको fish feed करानी है, आप वो करा सकते हैं. आपको elephant feeding करवानी है, it's open. If you want to just enjoy the open area, वहाँ पे भी performance हो रही है. Cafeteria इतने अच्छे हैं. It's very well maintained. For me, this wasn't just a trip. It was a beautiful memory shared with my mother and Ayan. And with that, this journey comes to an end. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.